is, no it is.
Keep that body rubber side down. That's dedication.
So we're on the Mr. Fish beginning of season Motovloggers Meetup. Just leaving Newlands Corner and heading over to Box Hill. Oh, Pez, man, Pez, you let us down. So yes, we're on our way to Box Hill for the beginning of season Motovlogger Meetup. Oh yeah! Fly by Pez! Yeah! So we got quite a good little trail of people coming with us on this little ride. It's going to be a good day. We've got slightly split up. But that's to be expected, pulling out of Newlands. It's always chocker, and there's always cars that break up. The flow of bikes coming out of the car park. But yes, beginning of season, Motovlogger Meetup. How awesome. And there's the fish himself. Woohoo! Hi fish! It's the Pez! It's the big Pezzer, the Pezmeister, with his super speedy little C90. Doing 45 miles an hour. That's better, Pez. That'll get you faster. So I don't know everyone's names that we're with, but we've got a good crowd of us. Some of the people we've got Big Pezzer there. We've got Mr. Fish, obviously. Then we've got the Surrey Rider, Red Baron, Phil 480. Dave XS, Purple Monkey, yes, a good old crowd. There's others as well, but I haven't been introduced to them all yet, so I'm not quite sure what their names are. But yes, Glen, I don't know, I can't pronounce that, but well, whatever. It's quite a cool looking bike. Well, come on, feel the noise. Look at that little box he's got on the back there. He needs his gin and tonic in that and cucumber sandwiches. So while we were up at Newlands Corner, there was a scooter run, or a scooter rally type thing. Loads of Vespers and Lambrettas and scooter boys and mods and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, awesome smell of two-stroke as they all pulled away. Lovely job. Well, we've all managed to get split up going through Dorking. I don't quite know how that happened, but we did. Yes. Awesome. There's definite lingering of two-stroke oil in the air. All the scooters have headed from Newlands over to Box, I think. It's just a trail of blue smoke from them. It's quite fantastic. little bit of aromatherapy. It's a bit of a shame we all got split up going through Dorking, but yes, we'll all meet up here. We all know where we're going. It's just some people don't know how to get there. That is packed. I don't think I've seen it this packed in so long. I guess that's these little Vespers and Lambrettas causing that shenanigans and ruckus. But man, heaving, proper heaving. Cheers. Now, I'm not the only one here, but I don't know where everyone else is, but these guys are with us, I think. So anyway, let's go find everyone and say hello. A bit like a tractor.
Sounds a lot better than the stock pipes.
Yeah, the stock pipes are very subdued. It's great. It's sort of like just a little hello.
I'm getting used. It's a bit like my girlfriend wiggling when I'm.
Oh, is it? Anyway, mate, awesome to meet you finally.
Yeah, great to finally meet you.
Have a safe trip home.
Yeah, we'll do.
And touch base on Facebook or something when you got back, just so we know you got home safe.
Why are you, my mum?
Oh, just concerned.
Okay. Will do. Great to finally meet you, though.
Yes, mate. Cheers, dude. Take care. See you soon, man. See you later, mate. See you soon, mate. What a blooming awesome day. So that's the meat finished. The meat and potatoes is done. Yes, awesome, fantastical turnout. Really fantastic day. I'm blown away by it again. Thank you so much, Mr. Fish. Thank you so much indeed for organising this. This is turning into quite a thing. Quite a fantastic thing. Now, for us, we are heading home. Got Big Pezza in front of me and Phil 480 behind me. Heading over Box Hill before we find our route home. So for those that watched my video of me finding Spicy's nuts the other week, whenever it was, we are going the same route now as I went up the hill then. So you'll be able to see what this road's like now, if you're interested. But yeah, proper U-turns. Go, you hooligan Pezza, you little super motorer.
How did that happen?
That speed bump. My seat fell off. Yeah. Yeah, so U-turns and speed bumps. Fun! It is quite spectacular up here. It really is. Really lovely. Beautiful views. So as we come around here, this view ahead of us, that's where I ventured into the woods to go find Spicy's nuts. Just down there to the left. But what a view, eh? It's beautiful, really lovely. Awesome stuff. But yeah, it was in there. It was hidden away in there in the shrubberies. A little bugger. So as we leave Box Hill on this wonderful, wonderful day, I'd just like to say thank you, not just to Mr. Fish, although special thanks to Mr. Fish indeed, but thanks to everyone who turned up today. It was really awesome to chat to those of you I was able to, and those that I wasn't able to chat to, I'm really sorry. I wasn't meaning to be antisocial. It's hard to spread your time out, but there were so many people, so many awesome people, really quite fantastic. So yes, thank you to everyone, thank you to everyone. So if you saw this event was coming up but wasn't sure if it was something you wanted to come to, do check out the next one. There'll be the end of season meetup later on in the year, and then again the next B.O.S, beginning of season meetup next year. They're fantastic, really good, sociable, just chatty, awesome, chilled out days. Really good fun and awesomeness. I could say awesome a few more times maybe, not sure, but yes, it was brilliant. So I do suggest, if you like motovlogs, whether you make one yourself or whether you just enjoy watching them, that you pop along to the next one. Definitely worth doing. Now, all good things have to come to an end, so I guess this is it. If you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. It'd be great to have you come back for more of my content. And if you enjoyed this video, or you came to Mr. Fish's meet, give it a little thumbs up. And if you didn't, that's fine. You can give it a little thumbs down, I don't mind. But whatever you do, please drop in a comment. Let me know what it was that you liked and what it was that you didn't. Anyhow, with our slow little pace, I'm going to love you and leave you. So you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that bar. Promise on. Hey, no, you gotta keep that bar. Promise on. Down.